Are you wondering if you can set Asana's calendar to start on Sunday or Monday? If you've been trying to adjust your calendar view in Asana to match your personal preferences, you're not alone. Let's dive into whether or not Asana lets you do that, and if so, how you can do it. First, the good news is that Asana's calendar doesn't directly allow you to set the start of the week to Sunday or Monday like some other calendar tools. It's locked into a specific format that starts the week on Monday. So if you've been searching for a way to switch it to Sunday, unfortunately, there isn't a built-in feature in Asana that gives you that option at this time. Next thing, while you can't set Asana's calendar to start on Sunday or Monday, you do have a bit of control over your view. You can use the timeline or calendar view to plan your tasks, but the start of the week will always show as Monday. However, there are workarounds that might make your life easier. For example, you can adjust your personal Google Calendar to start on Sunday and sync it with Asana. This way, your tasks will show up on your preferred start day when viewed in Google Calendar. It's not a perfect solution, but it's an option that gives you some flexibility. You can even use the calendar widget in Asana to display your schedule from Google Calendar and have it start on your preferred day. The fourth thing to consider is that Asana's flexibility with views means that while the week starts on Monday, you can adjust your workflow and tasks to adapt to your preferences. By organizing your tasks and breaking them down based on your workweek structure, you can still achieve an efficient layout. You may also want to check out Asana's project management features, which allow you to categorize and prioritize tasks effectively. This feature can help compensate for the limitation of the default start day. Being able to focus on your daily or weekly tasks in a way that suits your productivity will still make Asana a powerful tool, despite this one limitation. To make things even easier, you can use this software for completely free through the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses to get you started quickly. If you're still interested in maximizing your Asana experience, stick around because I've got one more tip for you that could improve your workflow, and it's a great way to customize your Asana setup for your needs. Lastly, just to mention again, Asana offers an extended free trial if you sign up through our link. Make sure to check it out. That's all for today. Don't forget to dive into the description and grab your free trial and bonus if you're ready to level up your productivity.